A few moments later.
Hi everyone, my name is Adrian Caspisan, Group 3 Leader.
Hi everyone, my name is Kilian Cesar T. Magsipak, Group 3 Member.
Everyone, my name is Jan Martin again, Group 3 Member.
Hi everyone, my name is Jan Derek Ehiron, Group 3 Member.
My name is Albinis Danao, Group 3 Member.
Hi everyone, my name is Leonaniti Bautista, Group 3 Member.
Hi everyone, my name is Aksana Sivais, Group 3 Member. Hi everyone, so this is the product that we are using. This is a makeup primer.
So guys, tapos na po kami mag-primer. Next po is concealer. Let's go! Let's go, Paul. Stop. Ano po yung results paglagay po namin ng concealer?
Cut. Ito po yung next namin gagamitin. Ito po yung foundation.
Let's go, guys. So, sa part nito guys, tinime-lapse na po namin dahil naubusan na po kami ng oras.
Final look.
Thank you for watching!